Hello kids, Metal, we're back again with another opening of one of the Dave's I Know's cars. And this is Dave's truck. We already opened the Corvette, as you know. And now we have the Carrera Race Truck Truckster Conventional Nova Racing number 6. And we've already taken care to open this up. And so, here we go. Now you can get a better look at her out of the box. That is a really, really beautiful, beautiful truck. So let's get this unscrewed and get a better look. We were just in there running this here vet, and that car ran really good. Wouldn't you say, Mr. Dave?
It did. It stuck to the track pretty well, and I was pretty impressed with it.
Yeah, out of the box, it was quite amazing. All right, here we go. Here's a better view of the truck. I love the chrome tank and the chrome wheels. That's a really nice touch. The exhaust in the back. And it has your vents for the motor. I wonder if those actually vent. Those just feel like stickers. I don't know. They might be real though. And I love how it's got the differential and the taillights there. And a chrome nice grille.
We should take a lottery to see when we'll break that wing off. How long that's going to take.
Well, hopefully we won't have that problem. You know, I've got one too. So, all right, let's take her in there and let Dave give it a whirl.
All right, sounds good.
Say hi, Phoebe.
Hi, Phoebe.
She's guarding the place.
Oh, she's just, you guys in these race cars.
She likes to try to bite the cars. It's kind of annoying.
Oh, yeah. She's our mascot.
All right, I'll take over on the video.
All right.
All right. Get a nice shot of it there. That is a good-looking truck, man. Yeah, you're gonna have to set everything. So what you want to do is code it first. So go ahead and do your code.
All right, there we go. It's flashing.
You got to do your speed and your gas and everything. So hit speed. Okay, hit start. Nope, you went up. You're at 6.
That's okay.
Okay, brake.
Okay.
Brakes at 6, hit start. Fuel should be at 3. Hit start. Dave's still learning how to use the controls, you guys, so give him a break. All right, we're ready to go.
Whoa, that thing.
It's a lot faster than you think, at least mine was. Hang on here, we gotta fix these guides here. Hang on, folks. Sorry about the black screen. The trucks rub a little bit. We'll have to file down your front end.
There's a good slides down that corner.
You can hear it kind of rubbing. Try the outside lane and see if it's any better. Funny, if you guys are watching, you can actually see Phoebe chasing the truck around. Nice. You got a little sideways there. Remember, you got a lane change there. I need to change it back.
That was exciting. Oh.
Phoebe, no! Phoebe just killed the truck. Anyway, that's a good point. We're going to go ahead and stop the video. We're going to keep playing with the truck a little bit. Phoebe, sit down. Phoebe, sit down. Thank you. All right, everybody. Metal. Dave, say bye.
Peace out.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Like and subscribe if you want. If not, it's all good. Thanks, everyone, for watching.